Alright, Shepherd here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do something a little different. Now you might say, why do we have water?
And toilet paper.
Why do we have toilet paper? Why do we need toilet paper out? That's supposed to be left in the bathroom. Well, we got something different we're going to do today. Before we do that, first and foremost, we want to say thank you to all you subscribers. We have appreciated so much all you guys watching us and making comments.
Thanks guys so much, and yeah.
Yeah, you got a neat little thing going on here. What is this?
Oh, it's just a tower.
Just a tower.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So.
But Dad.
Yes, son.
This can become so much more.
What do you mean? How can this become so much more?
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, let's explain it. We were in
You
Walmart.
have one under your table, so.
Oh, that's right. I got one too.
Yeah.
So we were in Walmart.
We saw these and we're like, we have to do these. It blasts 50 feet meters. Honestly, we should tell them what it is first.
Yeah, this is called a toilet paper blaster. Now,
it's like spitwad.
Spitwad. Now, as a teacher, this is like my arch enemy here. One of the things I fear the most is a spitwad. Tell us what this thing has.
It has toilet paper ammo holder right here, and water tank, air chamber, and I think that releases pressure or something. I don't know. An extended barrel.
Yeah. Extended
barrel, and it says fill water tank, load toilet paper, blast away, rapid fire, and it looks sick. But if you look down here, there's another design for it. It's really nice. I can't wait to open this thing up.
Yeah, and apparently all you need is toilet paper
and water.
And water. And, well, I think we gotta set it up. It probably needs batteries, too. Dude, I don't know if we got batteries for this. We should have checked that out.
I don't think it needs batteries.
Do you think it's pump action?
I think it might be pump action. Yeah, it's pump action. You can tell it's pump action because there's that hole in this right here. It must move like...
Oh, you're right.
Here,
check that out. But yeah, we're going to have to open this up. So we're going to do a box reveal. And we're going to get this set up, and we're going to probably go out and have some fun with this.
So we've opened some of it, as you see here, but let's see the rest.
Alright. Oh, this is exciting. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Oh, wow. Look at all the assembly we got to have.
Yeah, we got to assemble this.
Whoa.
Look at this. We got to totally assemble this.
Oh, yeah. We got to get a knife. We got to start cutting some stuff up here. So, alright. You go get a knife. No running. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. We'll be right back.
This is the base of the whole thing. Now let's keep going at it.
You know, that's a smart idea, cutting it from that side, Caleb. Smart thinking.
We got everything out. Let's see pump action.
You're right, it is pump action. So, after we got everything out, this is... Yeah.
That's taken care of.
That's taken care of. Alright. He's got scissors right there, and he's just ripping them open with his teeth.
You could fit a fish in here.
A fish?
I'm going to put this together by myself. I don't need any help. No help at all. So I believe, guys, this part goes in here, and this part goes like right there, and I'm a mechanic, so guys, don't worry. I got this. Ooh, that actually scared me.
Yeah. Alright, so what's next?
So it says this has to go in on here somehow. Did you hear that?
I heard something, but I don't want you breaking it.
Got that added.
Alright, so we were able to get it on. Caleb figured it out. Alright, so what's the next step?
Next step here. Put it right in. Just goes right in. Here's the clip. It goes right here. That's where it goes. It goes right here. I know where this goes. It's kind of explainable where this goes. It goes right.
Right, this is looking more and more awesome, man.
Yeah, I know.
I love the name too. It's called Sheet Storm. That's awesome.
We're attaching the barrel.
Wow, that was fast.
This barrel goes apart.
So you put this together like under 10 minutes.
And it goes right where I expected it to go.
Right on time. Alright, well Caleb has figured out the last few items here, and we're just working on putting the toilet paper on, and we're going to be filling up with water here in a couple minutes. Shoot the gun a couple times. So we're gonna finish this up, get it all ready to go, and then we're going to like get it ready to fire.
Enough of the water.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We're almost, that's all we have to do, and then we're done. Now you need to, now you actually do need to turn that off, because you need to.
We were a little confused on where to put the toilet paper, so we found right down here on this side, you're supposed to roll the toilet paper, stick it in there, and pump action it a couple times, and it kind of draws it in, sucks it in a way, kind of pulls it. And we kind of shot a piece of toilet paper all the way over here onto the floor. I don't know if you can see it right there.
I don't want to do that.
So,
but, yeah.
So we're going to put some water in here, and then we're going to go, I don't know, maybe we're going to try to hit the, what do you think?
Microwave?
Hit the microwave?
Yeah.
I mean, we're only about 8 feet away from it. You think that'd be a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's put some water in here, and we're going to see what happens. So I'll help you hold the gun up.
So it does work.
It also comes with a little paper jam device, so apparently this might jam up sometimes. Oh, you overflowed. All right, Caleb, you got enough in there. Let's.
Yeah, I probably do. Close it.
Yeah, let's close it up.
Can I be the first to shoot this thing?
Of course, this is yours. I gotta put mine together yet.
Let me pick
All right,
it up.
why don't you get behind the table?
I just need to close this. Let's clear everything off. And
Oh, that's fine. You could have left that.
yeah, it's not okay. So I got this. I'm holding it. I'm gonna get behind the table. And you know.
All right, let me get back there so I can see.
Yeah, this is actually sick. Oh.
Dude, where'd I hit? It fired.
Yeah, that's actually kind of gross.
Where'd it go?
So it shot right here and.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. Oh, it's all wet. That's gross.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Should shoot Mom with this thing.
No,
Like,
I don't think that's a good idea.
Not shoot her, but shoot at her.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Probably not. That's not.
But it has left, we've done it in the kitchen, it has left some disgusting spitballs over here. We got all over here. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go see what else we can shoot, Caleb.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go. It shot 2 at a time.
I know, it did that for me too earlier.
We should shoot over here. Hello? That's good.
Well, just a minute. Wait.
Can I shoot you?
What? Oh my god, are you serious? Well, stand back. Why are you getting so close? Oh my. Well, it doesn't hurt, but it did scare me. Alright, do me again. Now it's kind of funny. Or do the TV.
Okay.
Get by me and do the TV. I want to see you try the TV.
Oh!
Oh, that's disgusting.
Actually, very good. Oh!
Oh my. So that was a good 10 feet. Caleb just got me in the back.
Did that
You
hurt?
little stinker.
Did
No,
that
it didn't hurt. I think maybe it's Caleb's turn to feel what it feels like.
I think so.
Oh
I
my.
got the tree.
Alright, Caleb. So, on a fun factor here, 1 being like boring or 10 being really fun, what do you think?
Well, it's a 10.
Oh, it's a 10.
No, it's not. No,
No?
it's 100.
100. Okay.
But
So
no,
Caleb thinks it's
the
really
only
good.
downside is this toilet paper will last for a while. With the water, it's way down here.
Yeah, well, we
So
can
you
always put
always-
more water in.
You always have to refill it.
Well, that's
but,
okay.
but I think we should have a little fun with the cars.
You want to go out and shoot the cars? Alright, so other than like jamming every so often,
Yeah, sometimes it jams, but other than that, it's okay. Okay.
well, that was about 30 feet. Alright, well, he is shooting. Why don't you go to the red car? It's really hard to see. It's really hard to see it on the white car. Shoot the red car.
Oh.
That looked like white poop. It just rolled off.
Yeah, have some of that.
When I get my gun going, you and me, man. Spitball challenge, man.
So, you know what I think the time it is? It's time to see
What time is it?
what I feel like getting shot with this.
You're right.
What am I getting myself into? Can I tell you something?
Tell me, son.
Your car needs a nice little work.
You just spilled a whole bunch of water out.
It's leaking. So no wonder the water has been going so fast because it's leaking.
Yeah, look, there's like a little jammed right here.
Thing is.
Well, don't.
Good luck opening your car.
Oh, that's disgusting. You are making a mess of my car. Dude,
We need to cheat.
you are having fun with this, aren't you? You're liking this.
I got a gun. You didn't think about that. Oh, where are you? There you are.
I bet you can't get me from there.
This thing is supposed to shoot 50 feet.
I know. That one shot over. When am I going to shoot it at you?
It's been leaking really badly.
So I don't think it's supposed to be sideways. I think you're supposed to keep it upright. It's not like a Nerf gun. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. We're going to have some more fun with this. I'm going to get mine together and maybe we'll have like a spitball gunfight. Or a challenge of
Well,
like
I'm
who
out of
can
water.
shoot better. Or hit the target. We'll see. Pretty awesome.
Oh, I still have some water. That means you can shoot me.
Alright, so we'll talk to you later.
The finale.